go. We're playing. coming off his
hand bait again on the 8-card Keno. We had a live stream today. We had a hand bait after the live stream, and now
$100.
because we're playing for that.
That's the last time we played for that. But we won the 21,000. That would be awesome. Oh, come on, something.
That green ball's gonna fall.
Hopefully sooner.
Come on, green ball.
We're playing 250 a spin. Oh, come on, be nice. Our last one, we got one ball. Oh, that's nice. $10 will make us holla. Well, maybe not, but I'll holler. Ooh, $5. We'll take it. Keep going.
Come on, green ball.
We'll take a blue ball.
21,000.
Yeah, we'll take the blue ball too. We'll take just any ball. We need rescue. That's rescue.
Anything right now. Anything.
Rescue. Ooh, wait. You know what? We got $100. We have money to play with. Ammunition.
30, 40, 140.
All right.
Just what's the 2 stripes there?
All right. Here we go.
So we had camera issues, but we played 100 back in.
Yeah.
But we had 100 to start.
Okay. Here we go. Just keep going. Ooh, $10 more.
Could this be the fill-up for another major?
No, for a grand. Oh, $125 ball. Ooh.
$200 screen.
Wow. Over 200.
Major's coming.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Grand's coming.
Okay, that would be awesome.
Give us a chance.
Oh, rescue. Oh, but we'll take it. Yeah, that's awesome. It's over $200, baby.
I know that. I'm saying it's $200.
Oh, nice. Woohoo.
Boom.
Yeah, the other one up. Boom. Wow. Nice. $270, 67. Ooh.
Plus this puts us at 300.
Ooh.
And we're into this machine for $100.
Okay, go ahead and bam, bam. Yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna stop it. Go ahead.
We hit a little bit, and then we were playing again. We just popped this $500 bad boy right there. Trying to catch the green ball.
We're trying to get that major.
So we're halfway home. If we get the major, it's a hand bait, right?
That would be all. Yeah.
So this is already 5 something.
Yeah. it's like go. 3 a.m.
Big balls bring. It's 2 right now.
Oh, okay. I was so far away.
Big balls bring big balls.
Let's hope so. Bring balls better. Just bring some balls.
Come on, green ball.
Oh, bring just a ball. Let's keep going. Rescue. Thank you.
All right.
Oh, it's another minor. That would have been awesome.
You took $1,000.
Oh, my lantern. Let's
$1,000
go.
never hurt anybody.
Oh,
never hurt anybody.
No. Keep going. Oh,
another one.
It just keeps coming by that blue ball. Rescue.
Right.
Thank you. We'll take it.
Come on, green boy.
Let's go.
Come on, green ball.
Or just fill it up. It's $21,921, almost $22,000.
All right.
Oh, but you know what? Oh, my Lanta.
I'm calling it $50.
I don't know. I didn't count today because I'm tired. The casino math is not here right now. Nice. Cha-ching, cha-ching.
52. 50. I think that's right the first time.
550. Woohoo.
Plus the 142.
Bam. Wow, 550.
So we play until 500.
Okay, I've got the games. I've already had 8 games in. But look at it, I already have $600. Holy moly. This is crazy. We could just keep going. If we get those multipliers. Oh, well, you know what though? That's okay. Come on. Alright. 600. Nice. Wow.
We're here on the Carnival Panorama in the middle of the Alaskan Sea, or Sea of Alaska, or Gulf of Alaska. Ellen just hit for $600 right there. I just hit for $600 right here, $500 minor and $100 mini. Let's go. $5 bet, 10-cent denom, $25 ball. That's $650 already. Oh my gosh, another $100. Wow. This is a $700 bonus. Hank, come on, stay alive.
This is not George the Bull.
Ah.
This is to get in something.
All right, it gave me those 2 extra ones though.
And now we are looking for John Nguyen.
Come on, baby. That was a good hit.
From Vietnam. I know Mr. John from Vietnam.
750.
Oh yeah.
Gotta love
He
it.
don't look like Mr. John. John Nguyen.
We just won $1,300 in the last 5 minutes. Let's go.
John.
Love you.